Welcome to Explore Itineraries channel. Every awesome vacation starts with a perfectly crafted itinerary. For us, the planning and anticipation is just as exciting as the trip itself. Click like and subscribe to support us and to get future content. This is Stephanie and David. Today we are heading undercover to gather intel. The assignment is to unlock the secrets of our next travel adventure.
As the seaplane descends upon the gleaming waters of Cole Harbor, we synchronize our watches and prepare for another clandestine rendezvous with a city that's as multifaceted as any seasoned operative. Vancouver, with its skyline punctuated by modern edifices and natural grandeurs, whispers secrets of its storied past and vibrant present. Greetings, esteemed operatives. It's us, your old friends, Dave Bond and my partner in crime, Agent S. We've been partners for over 10 years, and I'm thankful to have her by my side on this escapade.
I can't imagine how boring life is without Mr. Bond. He keeps me on my toes. You only live twice, as they say. We've been summoned on yet another perilous assignment, this time venturing deep into the heart of Canada's westernmost province, British Columbia. The target? The bustling metropolis of Vancouver, a city that seamlessly blends urban sophistication with rugged natural splendor. As you well know, our line of work often requires us to traverse the globe, infiltrating the most exotic and treacherous locales. However, Vancouver has proven to be a delightfully unexpected challenge, a tantalizing enigma wrapped in a breathtaking package. So, strap yourselves in, dear comrades, as we unravel the secrets of this captivating city, weaving a tale of intrigue, adventure, and of course, impeccable taste. To fully understand the mission, we'll need to research its history. For over 10,000 years, the land that is now Vancouver was home to various Coast Salish peoples, including the Musqueam, Squamish, and Tsleil-Waututh nations. These communities thrived along the rich coastlines and rivers, their lives deeply connected to the land and its bounty. Fast forward to 18th century, Vancouver is named after British explorer George Vancouver, who charted the Pacific Northwest. Founded as a humble fur trading post in the late 18th century, it transformed into a bustling metropolis fueled by the timber industry. Those days are long gone, replaced by a thriving economy built on finance, technology, and yes, even a burgeoning film industry. Think Hollywood North. Vancouver has become a major production hub for movies and TV shows, thanks to its diverse landscapes, from mountains and forests to urban cityscapes and coastal areas. This versatility allows filmmakers to depict a wide range of settings without having to travel far. It has developed a robust film industry infrastructure over the years, including sound stages, production facilities, and experienced crew members. Lastly, British Columbia offers competitive tax incentives and rebates for film and television production.
You may wonder where to rest your weary spy head. Now that we've acquainted ourselves with Vancouver's storied past, it's time to tackle accommodations. For the discerning traveler with a taste for being pampered, or for the adventurer, two neighborhoods stand out above the rest: Kitsilano and Gastown. Kitsilano, affectionately known as Kits to the locals, exudes a laid-back charm that's perfect for those seeking a retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. With ancient pre-colonial origins, the district has been inhabited by the Squamish people for millennia. Following the colonial era, Kitsilano experienced swift development, its name honoring the legacy of the Squamish chief, a poignant nod to the neighborhood's indigenous roots. Present-day Kitsilano stands as a residential sanctuary, anchored by two bustling commercial thoroughfares, West 4th Avenue and West Broadway. These vibrant streets boast an array of retail outlets, dining establishments, and organic markets, providing a glimpse into the pulse of the local community, infused with a hint of urban refinement. Kitsilano offers a welcome respite from the chaos of espionage.
For the clandestine operative seeking anonymity, Gastown offers a plethora of discreet boutique hotels nestled amidst restored warehouses. These establishments often cater to a discerning clientele, so expect top-notch security and service. Perfect for when you need to vanish from those pesky tracking devices. Here are some facts on Vancouver's oldest neighborhood. It is a captivating blend of history, charm, and contemporary cool. In the heart of Gastown, the iconic steam clock stands as a rare gem, one of the few operational steam clocks globally. Its melodious chimes, powered by steam whistles, resonate every 15 minutes, captivating visitors with its nostalgic allure. Moreover, Gastown's vibrant nightlife scene adds to its appeal, boasting an array of bars and clubs that promise diverse and exhilarating experiences. Whichever neighborhood you choose, rest assured that Vancouver offers a surplus of accommodation options to suit every taste and budget, from luxurious penthouses to charming bed and breakfasts. Just remember, my dear comrades, to keep your wits about you, for danger often lurks where you least expect it.
Culinary Expeditions, a gastronomic journey. No intel gathering mission is complete without proper sustenance. As you well know, our line of work often requires us to venture into the most treacherous and exotic locales, sampling the local fare with the utmost discretion and discernment. And let me assure you, this particular mission has been an absolute delight. Thankfully, Vancouver's culinary scene is as diverse as its population. First on the agenda is the legendary Canadian delicacy poutine, a decadent amalgamation of crispy French fries, piping hot gravy, and oozing cheese curds. This dish is a true testament to the ingenuity of Canadian cuisine. As you savor each bite, you can't help but feel a newfound respect for the culinary prowess of this land of maple syrup, a respect that was quickly reinforced by the city's celebrated sushi and dim sum offerings. Now, for the uninitiated, dim sum is an intricate dance of trolleys piled high with bamboo steamers, each concealing a culinary surprise. Just watch out for a hidden compartment concealing a microchip. It's a feast for the senses and frankly the perfect cover for exchanging coded messages disguised as harmless chatter about hargao, shrimp dumplings, shumai, and pork buns. Then there's the char sayu bao, the fluffy steamed bun filled with sweet and savory barbecued pork inside. This seemingly simple dish can hold a folded napkin with a coded note tucked within. Amidst the delicious chaos, maintaining operational vigilance is paramount. We recommend a private table, just in case.
But no gastronomic escapade in Vancouver would be complete without indulging in the city's celebrated seafood offerings. From succulent salmon to fresh shucked oysters, the bounty of the Pacific Ocean is on full display in this coastal metropolis. I must admit, there's nothing quite like savoring a perfectly grilled halibut fillet while taking in the breathtaking views of the city's waterfront. Of course, a true spy always has room for dessert, and Vancouver does not disappoint in this regard. From decadent chocolatiers to artisanal ice cream parlors, the city's sweet offerings are sure to satisfy even the most critical of palates. Again, I must confess, we may have indulged in one too many delectable treats during our stay, but what's a little overindulgence in the name of culinary espionage?
And let's not forget the city's thriving food truck scene. It's a veritable smorgasbord of flavors that cater to every craving imaginable. Whether you're in the mood for mouth-watering tacos, succulent burgers, gourmet hot dogs, or tantalizing fusion fare, Vancouver's food trucks have got you covered. Vancouver's culinary scene isn't just about espionage, though it certainly can be. It's about experiencing a vibrant Epicurean tradition, a delicious dance of deception and delight. Just remember, fellow operatives, keep your wits sharp and your chopsticks even sharper. You never know who might be listening, or what secrets might be hidden in your next dumpling.
We've discussed the cuisine, but now where to indulge? Allow me to present a selection of venues for your sampling pleasure. Fresh seafood at Granville Island Public Market. This bustling market is a haven for fresh, locally sourced seafood. Snack on succulent oysters or indulge in a steaming bowl of fish and chips. A classic for a reason. Crowded marketplaces are prime hunting grounds for pickpockets, amateur or otherwise. Dim sum in Chinatown is a must. A Vancouver institution, Chinatown's bustling dim sum houses offer a dizzying array of steamed dumplings, buns, and other delectable treats. Perfect for a quick bite between interrogations, metaphorical of course, and ideal for people watching. You'll never know who you might bump into amidst the chaos.
Operative insights, camouflaging. To seamlessly navigate Vancouver under the radar, one must excel in the skill of blending seamlessly into the surroundings. First and foremost, familiarize yourself with the city's public transportation system, which includes buses, the SkyTrain, and the SeaBus ferries. The TransLink website offers real-time schedules and route maps to help you plan your journey. If you're feeling particularly adventurous, why not consider renting a kayak or stand-up paddleboard and explore the city's stunning waterways? Trust us, there's nothing quite like gliding across the tranquil waters of Falls Creek, with the towering skyscrapers serving as your backdrop. And for those times when discretion is paramount, fear not, for Vancouver's robust taxi and rideshare services are always at your beck and call, ensuring you can navigate the city streets with utmost efficiency and anonymity.
In the world of espionage, where every moment counts and every detail matters, Dave Bond understands that being prepared for any situation is essential. Vancouver's climate, characterized by mild temperatures, frequent rainfall, and occasional bouts of fog, presents unique challenges that demand careful consideration. Moreover, HQ informs us that Vancouver's weather can change in an instant, with sunny skies giving way to sudden downpours without warning. In such a dynamic environment, a raincoat is more than just a precaution. It's a strategic asset that allows us to maintain our edge no matter what Mother Nature throws our way.
Infiltrating Canada's hideout in the Grouse Mountains is a cakewalk compared to this visa application. Wouldn't you say, Agent S? The matter of securing proper travel documentation for our mission to Canada is challenging. As an international spy, ensuring we have the right visas is of utmost importance to avoid arousing unnecessary suspicion. First things first, intel on the situation. The Canadian government website seems to be the source of truth here. Looks like they require the usual passport mumbo-jumbo, proof of funds. Her Majesty wouldn't want me to become a financial burden. And a photograph that wouldn't set off their facial recognition if Blofeld decided to impersonate me. Doubtful, but one can never be too careful. For jet-setting agents hailing from the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, and most nations across Europe, entry into the Grand Dominion of Canada requires little more than the procurement of an ETA, electronic travel authorization, which can be obtained online. For other agents across the world, make sure to check out the website to check on eligibility.
As the sun sets over the Pacific, casting a golden glow on the glass towers of Vancouver, find yourself reflecting on the city's clandestine charms. It's a place of contrasts, where nature and urbanity coexist in a delicate balance, much like the duality of a spy's life. In the quiet of the evening, the city's true essence comes to life. The neon signs of Granville Street flicker into existence, mirroring the twinkle of mischief in my eye as I contemplate my next move. The aroma of street food mingles with the salty breeze, a siren call to those who walk the line between shadow and light.
Vancouver, you've been an enigmatic host. Your streets have provided the perfect backdrop for covert operations, and your cuisine has fueled my endeavors with its bold flavors. From the bustling markets of Chinatown to the serene paths of Stanley Park, every corner of this city has offered a new puzzle to solve, a new mystery to unravel. As we prepare to depart, we leave behind a piece of ourselves in the alleys and avenues of this urban playground.
To the travelers and adventure seekers who follow in our footsteps, we offer this advice: look beyond the surface, for in the depths of Vancouver's soul, you'll discover stories and experiences that are as thrilling as any high-stakes mission. So here's to you, Vancouver, a worthy adversary and a cherished ally. Until our paths cross again, may tomorrow never die. We'll carry the memory of our dance in the shadows, a reminder that even a spy needs a place to call home.
Remember, half the fun of any vacation is in the planning phase. Do your research and plan your itinerary in advance. Your support means the world to us, so don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember, the world is waiting for you. Until next time.